Hello students, now in this discussion we shall look at the nitrogen cycle. The simple sketch is given here. Basically you know that we have plants and there are animals which eat these plants. So these plant animals are known as herbivorous animals, okay, which depend on plants such as goats, sheep, cow, deer, etc. So there are then animals which are known as carnivorous animals like lion, tiger, which eat these herbivorous animals. Okay, and all these animals, whether carnivorous, herbivorous, they defecate. Okay, and this waste material, whatever they defecate, that is that falls on the earth, and there will be like ants, beetles, small bugs and worms, which will break it down. Okay, so these creatures which are found on the soil, break the waste material into smaller bits on which minute organisms and other organisms can act. Okay, hence this material is thus separated into supplements that a plant can retain and use for its development. So ultimately this excreta of these animals is converted into nutritional supplement to the plant itself. Hence the supplements are used once again from the animals to the plants. So you can see this nitrogen cycle here. There is a dark line in the center, that is a biosphere, and above that is the atmosphere, that is the air. Okay, biosphere is that on the earth now, and there is something below the earth also. So you can see in the air, the atmosphere, there is a nitrogen, that is gas. Okay, that is around 79% of the air, and this nitrogen, due to combustion and lightning, due to high temperature, whether it is due to lightning or due to combustion in automobiles, this nitrogen, which normally is inert, that does not react, that gets converted into oxides of nitrogen. Okay, you can say it is converted to NO. So this nitrogen, I think you eat chips and all, in that chips packet, that bloated chips packet, nitrogen is used as a gas, so that the chips don't react with oxygen. Okay, and nitrogen is also used, I think you might have seen in petrol bunks that they are filling nitrogen in your tires, bike and car tires, even the aeroplane tires, they have nitrogen, so that in case of accident, it doesn't explode. So this nitrogen, it gets due to a high temperature combustion, it gets converted to oxides of nitrogen. Okay, and these oxides of nitrogen, they mix up with water vapor in the sky, and they come down in the form of precipitation, that is rainfall, as weak acid HNO3, that is weak nitric acid. Okay. Now we can see that is falling on the earth. Now you can see in the biosphere, like we told, the animal excreta and all, our animals also die, so they decay and they form that ammonia, NH3, and then there is also nitrification, so that this ammonia, methane, that is get converted into NO3. This below the biosphere, wherever you can say, is like underground, whatever happens, and the atmosphere, what is shown above, means the activities which happen in the atmosphere, in the air. Okay, this is a nitrogen cycle. It is not that easy like or straightforward like water cycle or carbon cycle, but this is also one of the important cycle, because nitrogen fixation is very important in plants, and though it is inert, nitrogen plays an important role in this ecosystem.